If you're a developer and you're not using AI prompts yet, you're already behind. In the next few years, developers who master prompt engineering will be 10x faster, 10x smarter, and 10x more valuable. But here's the thing, most developers are using AI wrong. They treat it like Google, when it should be treated like a teammate. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI prompts every developer should have in their toolbox to stay relevant, accelerate coding, and unlock next-level problem solving. Stick around, because the last one can actually write entire frameworks for you. You're watching FutureSync Tech, your weekly edge on AI, code, and the future. Hit that subscribe button if you're serious about staying ahead. Let's get into it. 1. Debugging prompts that fix bugs you can't. One of the biggest time wasters for developers is chasing mysterious bugs. Instead of digging through Stack Overflow for hours, imagine this. Prompt, here's a code snippet. It's giving a memory leak. Can you diagnose and fix it? You don't have to babysit ChatGPT. The trick is giving precise context and using error-based prompting. Prompt, given this Python error trace, explain the root cause and provide a fix. Pretend I'm a junior developer. Not only do you get the fix, but you get the why. Which makes you smarter long-term. And no, copying the error into Google and clicking random Stack Overflow threads isn't research. It's roulette. Prompt engineering gives you surgical answers in seconds. Cliffhanger, but debugging is just the beginning. What if you could get your AI to write tests before you even touch the keyboard? 2. Test-driven prompts that write for you. Test-driven development can feel tedious, until you automate it. Prompt, write unit tests for the following React component using Jest. Include edge cases. Just like that, you've got full test coverage in seconds. Want integration tests? No problem. Prompt. Generate API integration tests for this express.js route. Assume a MongoDB backend and authentication middleware. Yes, your AI can now write tests better than some junior devs. Let that sink in. AI can scaffold tests so you can focus on logic and architecture. And if you're using CI/CD tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. Prompt, create a GitHub Actions YAML for running Jest tests on every pull request. Bridge, and once your code is solid and tested, what if you could describe a feature and let AI build the scaffold? 3. Feature building prompts that scaffold apps. This is where AI becomes your co-developer. Prompt, I'm building a task manager app. Create the basic backend routes with Node.js and MongoDB. You'll get boilerplate code, route structure, and often even models and validation. Want to level it up? Prompt, now write the React frontend with basic UI for tasks, and include styling using Tailwind. Just like that, you have a full-stack skeleton in minutes. Remember when this took a team of 4 and a week of planning? Yeah. Want more speed? Prompt, add JWT-based authentication to both backend and frontend. Now you're getting security, routes, token handling, and protected views, all in one shot. But AI isn't just here to build apps. It's here to make you better. Let's talk prompts that make you unstoppable at code reviews. 4. Code review prompts that teach you as you work. Imagine getting a second opinion instantly, without waiting for a senior dev to get off lunch break. Prompt. Review this function for readability, performance, and edge cases. Be brutally honest. Not only do you catch issues, but you learn better patterns from the feedback. Prompt, refactor this class using modern TypeScript best practices. This isn't cheating. This is mentorship at scale. If your ego can't handle AI feedback, you're not trying to grow. Use these prompts during code reviews or even before pushing to version control. But even code reviews are tactical. What if we go strategic? Time to prompt AI like a CTO. 5. Architecture-level prompts for system design. Want to build real-world systems that scale? Your prompts can simulate expert thinking. Prompt: design a scalable microservice architecture for an e-commerce platform. Include service names, responsibilities, and communication methods. It will draw out high-level diagrams, in Markdown, suggest technology stacks, and offer trade-off insights. Prompt: compare Redis and RabbitMQ for inter-service communication in a high-throughput system. You now have access to on-demand system design interviews, minus the stress. So you have your bugs fixed, tests written, features built, code reviewed, and systems architected. Now let's take it further. Let's unlock your AI to think with you. 6. Prompting for AI pair programming. Pair programming used to mean sitting next to another human. Now, it means opening a chat window. Prompt: I'm trying to solve this algorithm. Help me step through the logic line by line. It becomes a dialogue. AI helps you slow down and reason through the problem. Prompt: generate multiple approaches to solving this dynamic programming problem. Compare runtime and readability. You're no longer solving problems alone. You're thinking with AI. When was the last time Google asked you why your algorithm was O(n)²? This kind of pairing makes you sharper, faster, and more confident. Cliffhanger: and now, the final prompt every developer should know. It doesn't just help you build code, it helps you build your career. 7. Prompts that grow your career. Want to break into senior roles, ace interviews, or level up your personal projects? These prompts go beyond syntax. Prompt: generate 5 system design questions for a senior backend developer interview. Then answer them. Prompt: help me write a resume bullet that explains how I refactored a legacy codebase into microservices. Prompt: suggest a list of open source ideas I can build with AI to improve my GitHub portfolio. If you're not using AI to upgrade your career, not just your code, you're missing the point. These prompts move you forward. Not just in your tasks. In your value. Conclusion: developers who master AI prompting will be unstoppable. Faster at debugging. Smarter at building. Sharper at scaling. And the truth is, this isn't optional anymore. Prompt engineering is the new IDE. You either learn it, or you get left behind. Subscribe if you want more real-world AI workflows. Drop a comment with the prompt you're going to try today. Share this with a dev friend who's still doing it the hard way. And I'll see you in the next one.